Welcome to Vista Clear Review. In this video, we are going to provide you with the Vista Clear review, and give you a comprehensive detail it. Vista Clear is a 26-in-1 formula claimed to keep the eyes healthy. It comes in the form of capsules, and a Vista Clear bottle contains 30 capsules. This supplement can be used to address eye issues and restore bad vision and support the eye's wellness and prevent any problem in this area from developing. How does Vista Clear work? According to its manufacturers, Vista Clear is made with 26 essential antioxidants, vitamins, herbs, and minerals known to improve eyesight and do wonders for vision. The formula is based on an ancient Aboriginal recipe that Australian tribes have been using for thousands of years. And members of these tribes have 4 times better vision than people who live in other parts of the country or even the world. The ingredients in Vista Clear are said to be the best in keeping the lens, macula, retina, optic nerve, and cornea healthy, so there's no wonder why this supplement is so appreciated by many, most of who are saying it has helped them see better and have much better vision. The ingredients in Vista Clear are very powerful when it comes to keeping the eyes healthy. Aside from essential antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, and herbs, they also grade in nutrients to support vision. Vista Clear best features. According to the Vista Clear official website, this supplement has many incredible features that should be taken into consideration before buying it. These features are 100% natural and free from non-essential fillers or chemical coating. Absolutely no toxins or dangerous stimulants. Non-addictive, non-GMO. Vegan. Gluten-free. Shown some amazing results. Who can use Vista Clear? Vista Clear can be used by any adult man or woman who wants to have healthy eyes and a normal eyesight. Children shouldn't in any way consume it, nor pregnant women or breastfeeding new mothers. The product's label mentions that those who have to take prescribed medication because they're suffering from any condition need to talk with their doctor before starting to consume the Vista Clear capsules. How long for results to appear? The Vista Clear official website says the people who have tried this product so far are very satisfied with the results obtained, but that these results may vary from person to person. It should be noted that, just like any other supplement or treatment out there, this one too has to be consumed every day, as indicated on its bottle, and in the long run. There's no miracle cure for having bad eyesight, and Vista Clear is not such a cure either, but it surely promises some amazing results with proper and regular consumption. One Vista Clear capsule has to be taken every day, preferably with water and not an energy drink or coffee. Why Vista Clear? Not having normal vision can be very frustrating. Not all people want to wear glasses or contacts all their life, whereas preventing eyesight problems is a very good idea for those who want to be able to see well until older. Vista Clear promises to help with both treating and preventing, which is very good news. Besides, buying it is a risk-free investment because its manufacturers are also offering a money-back guarantee on it aside from the very good prices, but more about this in the following section. Therefore, there's no reason to why people shouldn't give Vista Clear a try. Remember, Vista Clear can only be purchased from their official website. You will find the link in the description below this video. Thank you for taking the time to get more info before getting the Vista Clear.